channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this really cute Afro wig. Oh my god, it looks so good. I know you don't have to say it. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this wig. This is like the best hairstyle I have right now. I'm not even kidding. It's like my best wig, and I think this wig will probably run away from me because I will wear it. I will so wear this wig. Oh, it will be tired. Anyway, so I'm basically going to show you guys how I made this wig out of clip-ins. If you guys want to see how I did them, if you guys want to see how I did the wig, definitely keep on watching this video. Also, do not come, let me tell you, come closer, come, don't be scared, come. Have you subscribed? Wow, don't forget to subscribe. Oh my god, y'all, subscribe. Okay, thank you. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm usually really active. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. Let's connect, let's be friends, and leave a comment before you leave, obviously, so that we can chat in the comment section. I'm talking too much because I'm feeling myself. I'm sorry. Why are you angry? Go and do your own too. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please watch this video to the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so this is basically the wig cap that I'm using today. I'm going to have the link to everything that I used. This is also the hair that I'm using today, and the hair box came with combs, clips, and extra clips for the hair. And I went ahead and sectioned the hair off based on how many clips each weft had, just to make my life easier, literally. Then I also went ahead and I cut off the clips on the weft. I was sewing it on with the clips before because I wasn't too sure how this hair was going to turn out, but I decided to just cut off the clips. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna figure it out. So basically I would just start sewing, and I was basically doing like regular sewing, but the only thing is I would not fold the hair over. So you know how usually with sewings, when you get to the next line, you would fold the hair over. I wasn't doing that because clipping, the weft already comes really thick, so you don't want to fold it unless your wig is going to get too bulky. So what I was doing is I would measure the hair on the line that I want to sew first before I actually start sewing, and make sure that it can cover it. And if it doesn't cover it, I wouldn't just like create spaces. You guys will see what I'm talking about. But sometimes when I am clipping, I would go ahead and use a T-pin to just pin the hair in place, and it would just make sewing a lot easier because it's like someone is holding it for you from the underside. But literally it's just the pin holding it, and then you just keep putting the needle in. So after sewing for a while, this is what it looks like, and I went ahead to just create the part that I want to cut out at the end, and I just used my eye pencil to draw that marking right there. That will just make my life easier. It's just like a guide basically. So I went on and I kept sewing and sewing. It's such a repetitive process. Literally, you're doing the same thing over and over again until you get to the front. So now that I got to the front, I'm now going to use that line as a guide to sew my last track. And the last track I used for the front was the track that had 3 clips on it. I knew that would be enough because I've used clip-ins a lot on my head, and usually my parting space is usually 3 clips. That would be sufficient for that. So now this is basically what it turned out to look like. It looks so pretty, but I'm going to go ahead now and cut off the excess wig cap in there, and I'm using a scissors, and I just cut it off, and this is basically what it looks like. Yeah, that's it about making the wig. Okay, so this is basically what my hair starting off looking like. My hair is a mess, I know, let's just calm down, but I basically put most of my hair in a low ponytail at the back, and I brought out some hair that I'm going to leave out in front. So I have my middle part section out, and then I brought out hair on the sides, on the 2 sides of my head. Nothing at the back, just the middle part and the 2 sides, because that's what I'm focusing on with the style I want to do today. So basically what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and put a wig cap on my head. This is just going to help me just put my hair in place, and just also to avoid any damage with the wig. I mean, the wig was actually made with a wig cap, but I'm just doing this because you know. But yeah, I'm gonna put my wig cap on. This mainly would help me just tame this hair at the back, because I put my hair in a low ponytail and I braided it roughly, and I just don't want it sticking out. So I'm going to use this kind of hold it in place, and I'm using a black wig cap intentionally just because I don't need a brown wig cap today, and I don't want the brown to be showing when the breeze blows, if you guys get what I'm saying. After putting on that black wig cap, I'm going to go in and I'm going to just take bobby pins to hold down the wig cap. just so that it doesn't slide. Nothing too serious. Just hold it down with 2 bobby pins on each side. So 1 bobby pin, oh wow, English, 1 bobby pin on each side. And this is the perfect hairstyle for me because I really like the look of like the kinky clip-ins. I have like, I don't know how many, I do the same color, but I have so many, and it's always my go-to style, but it's just, I'm just lazy to have to like prep my hair for that. So this is perfect for me because I will just grab the wig and bring out my hair out and put it in. It's just perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig, which is the exciting part. I'm so excited. So this is basically what it looks like. I had cut off the excess wig cap yesterday, as you guys saw earlier in the video. Then I went ahead and I actually sewed some clips to the wig. So I basically sewed 3 clips. You need just 3 clips. You can do 3 clips and you can do 1 extra clip, so making it 4 at the back, but I really don't want to mess with the back of my head. So this is basically what the 3 clips look like, and you just want to pop the clip open like that. That's how you know that it's ready to be used. Okay, so hello camera, focus back on me. Good. Okay, so I'm basically going to put this on my head now, and it's really, the application is really easy. So when you grab this, so at the end of the parting space of the middle part, I'm going to pop the clip-in open, and I'm just going to put that in there. I'm just going to insert it like that, and then I'm going to close it. So it's already on my head like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the sides. Same thing. Come to the end of the parting space and just clip it in. Make sure you don't feel any tension. If you feel any tension, take it out and put it again. And then I'm going to do the last one. So this is basically what it is looking like right now. I'm absolutely loving the look, but we're gonna make it look even cuter. Okay, now I'm going to just take out my own natural hair that I twisted. I'm going to untwist it, and then we're going to go ahead and start blending it with this half wig, the U-part wig, whatever we want to call it. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and create a middle part because I want a middle part. You can always do this too. You can do this to a side part, you can do it to a middle part, whichever one you want, but I'm always like that side part girl. So I'm going to go and do a side part. I mean, not side part, wow, middle part girl. So now that I have my middle part created, I'm going to now take a bigger comb, and it's this bigger comb I'm going to use to blend my hair with the wig. If you've watched most of my clipping videos, that's literally how I blend my natural hair with clip-ins. I just found out that it works like that, and like, girl, that's how I just do it. So I basically would just go ahead and start combing it onto the wig, making it blend as best as I can. Okay, so now this is basically what it looks like when I'm done combing it on my hair and just kind of, you know, finessing it. Now I'm gonna take some water just to spray on the actual clip-ins and just to kind of scrunch it up so it forms, it has a better shape. I'm not going to go in, I was going to go in and actually trim it around, but I'm not even going to cut the hair yet. So I'm just going to go in with plain water, and I'm going to spray it on the hair and just start squeezing it so it's a bit shorter than this. Oops, that's loud, sorry. So it's a bit shorter than this. Okay, so this is basically what it turned out to look like. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I'm so glad I did this. This is about to be my go-to wig. Literally, it's so beautiful, and putting on the wig doesn't take that long. The only thing that takes kind of a good amount of time is making the wig, and once you make the wig once, that's it, sis, that's it. So you can basically color this hair because it's human hair, so you can color it. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and later on put some highlights just in there, just to jazz it up a bit, but I think this is absolutely cute. I think this is what I'm actually going to do with all my clip-ins. I'm just gonna make wigs and color them different colors, because wow, this is actually a look I absolutely love. I'm going to turn around now so you guys can see what the back looks like. I really don't know what it looks like. I think it looks good. I hope it does. Anyways, let me turn back and show you guys. Cute, I know. Anyway, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely do hope you guys are going to try this hairstyle because it's cute. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, oh my god, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment before you leave. Follow me on Instagram as well. That's where I'm usually pretty active, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.